to reveal some crypto tips for you, okay, when you get investing, but please note the disclaimer first, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for educational purposes only. So let's get straight into the video. So first I want to talk about Bitstamp, right? It's one of the oldest, the original trusted crypto exchanges, all right? It makes trading very easy, fast, and reliable. And with live customer support, it can get so much help with the staking aspects and everything you need to do. Guys, there's a reason that I like talking about this, all right? Because it's the oldest doesn't mean it's the worst. It means it's lasted this long. So many have gone down. So please, if you're going onto an exchange, if you're looking for a trusted one, this is by far one of the trusted ones since 2011, all right? You can grab your share of 150,000 ERC like you just saw there. Euroc tokens, all right, launching on Bitstamp. So get involved right now. There's loads of stuff going on. That's the first thing I would do if you're beginning in investing into crypto. There's my tip. Get involved with this. It is proven to work. Let's move on to my number 2 tip. Number 2, what I would do is do your research into a DeFi swap. All right. It actually allows you to make quick swaps to the DeFi coins in your wallets. All right. It looks like this on CoinStats. All right. You want to swap it and use the DeFi swap section from one place to another. Guys, the reason I want you to do this, all right, by means of integrating the 1inch network into CoinStats, it actually provides the ability to find the best swap paths across multiple liquidity sources. So if this is something you do on a regular basis, you want to be over here getting the best out of this program, guys. So tip number 2 is get over, all right, to CoinStats and start using the swap methods on there, the DeFi swap. Let's see what number 3 is. Number 3, you need to be using eToro, right? It's very, very good if you're trying to invest in that better future with multiple income streams. Guys, reason is because investment ideas from 30 million different users, all right? 30 million different users are using this app to better off their investments, which means there is so much diversity inside of this ecosystem that it can help you in any way you can imagine. So it's a very trusted, friendly platform, right? You can start getting invested straight away, discovering thousands of different assets, sharing ideas with all the different people. Like I said, it's super diverse, all right? Discussing strategies and so beyond with stocks, crypto, and ETFs. Obviously, we like to focus on crypto, all right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, 60 plus other crypto assets right at your fingertips with eToro. So that's my tip number 3. Get involved with that right now. Let's see what I've got to finish with. Last but not least is Accru, okay? This is the best of crypto exchange and investing all in one place. I use this on the regular, okay? I love it. It supercharges your crypto portfolio, brings together unique investment opportunities from across the world of crypto, all right? Investment pools and products from Cryptoverse. This is what you're allowed to access all in one place. So you can invest, earn yield, exchange crypto with so much ease, knowing that you don't have to go between different dApps. That's decentralized applications, right? You can keep using these different exchanges to do all this, or have everything in one place, crafted and curated by the one designer for you to be accessible, secure, and transparent within the platform. So guys, it's now available all the way up for balance up to 250,000. So get involved right now on iOS or Android, Google Play. All right, that's number 4. Let's jump to the summary. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.